Let's solve this together. It says x cubed plus x is equal to 10. You have to solve the value for x in this equation. Okay, so first thing we can do here is to, let's write this first. So you say x cubed plus x is equal to 10. Now let's factor out x here. We have that x into x cubed divided by x is x squared, plus x divided by x is 1, to be equal to 10. Okay, now you see the two numbers I was planning to give you 10. Okay, 10 now, the multiples of 10 is equal to 5 times 2. Alright, now watching these numbers, you're seeing that this number inside the bracket should be bigger than this number, because this is a square of the number outside plus 1. Okay, so the number inside the bracket should be bigger than the number outside the bracket. So you can assign 2 to the number outside the bracket. If 2 is the number outside the bracket, what does it make this number? 2 squared is 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, so it means that the correct multiple sequence for this is 5 times 2. Alright, where x is equal to 2. So our first answer for x is that x is equal to 2. But then recall that the highest power of x in this equation is that x is raised to the power of 3, meaning that the number of answers for x here should be 3. Alright, so you can go ahead and now say that let's make this a polynomial. So let's make this a polynomial. So you have x cubed plus x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we're going to go ahead and say as well that from what we got here, that x is equal to 2, making x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now let's go ahead and divide this polynomial by x minus 2 to get the remaining factor of this equation. Okay, dividing this now, we have x cubed divided by x is x squared. X squared times x is x squared, x cubed. X squared times minus 2 is minus 2x squared. When you subtract, we have plus 2x squared. We bring down plus x. 2x squared divided by 2 is plus 2x. 2x times x is 2x squared. Times minus 2 is minus 4x. When we subtract again, we have plus 5x. We bring down negative 10. Okay. 5x divided by x is plus 5. And we have 5x minus 10 here when we multiply. Alright, which gives us 0. So finally, what we're going to have as the second factor for this is that x squared plus 2x plus 5 will multiply x minus 2 to give us 0. Okay. Now when the product of these things are multiplying to give us 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either that x minus 2 is equal to 0, making x equal to 2, which we got initially. Now let's equate the second part to 0. So we say x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now we're going to solve for x in this equation using the quadratic formula. Okay, so we have that x here should be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, solving this, you have that our x here will be equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. This is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of negative 16 all over 2, which is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of negative 16 is 4i. Alright, all over 2, which is equal to negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1 plus or minus 2i. Alright, that's our x2 and x3. Alright, and our x1 is equal to 2. So these are the three answers for x in this question.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.